start today's drawing. For that I'm going to draw one big plus sign, and this plus sign is going to be a little bit on the left side. So this one is plus sign where they are crossing each other. I will leave little bit of space, and from here I will do one happy face. This side I will pull it little bit more, and this side it will be less. From here I'm going to curve. I will go straight little bit over here or little bit in this line. Same line will go a little bit in and then out. Same thing I will do here. This one is going a little bit in and then from here out. Now from here I am going to draw one curvy line. We'll go up here and another one little bit smaller than this one. It will go in and then kind of like a smiley face over here, and it will cross the line. From here we can draw one lip shape, and from here we will go out, little bit curvy here. We turn this one, it will go all the way to this ear. And on the top over here I'm going to draw another one. Let's make this one a little bit longer. Now we will start from here, and this will go all the way here like a big C or arch, and we will turn this one as an alphabet V. Other one, same line, it will start from here. So we will make a little bit mark over here. So these are the places we are going to do eyes and nostrils over here. So I marked over here, and I will start from here. I will go here, and next to this crossing I will go and turn. If it's touching, that's totally fine. We will go here and turn this one. So this line we can pull all the way over here, that's totally fine. But how to measure where we are going to draw the leg? So we can see this one, and we have to pull this one a little bit more here, or almost same like this much. And from here we are going to draw one curvy line, not straight, but it's going towards this direction. Even on the bottom it's curvy. Now from here this line will go here. So when we are drawing this one, this is the line it's going. So what we can do, we can make it a little bit wider over here. It will look more better. So this curvy rectangle, make it a little bit wider than the leg. From here, line will go kind of like curvy here and going this direction. And halfway of this one, so halfway here, it will turn and then it will go again this direction. So next to this one over here, it's going to be like this way. And curvy. Now I'm going to make it more smoother way. And from here it will be curvy again. and we will leave it over here. So let's draw the back one. For back one, I will start from here. If you have a big gap here, you can start little bit from here. Same like this one, but this is the line I did last time over here. So this one will curve earlier than this one. So I will start from here. And it will go here, and I will draw another line to finish this leg. So this one is going curvy here, so we will try to draw curve here, and then we will pull this leg here. Now we will start this leg. It will start from here, and kind of like a V I will try to draw first. And from here I'm going to curve this one. A little bit more inside. This line is going to be smaller than this one. So this is the line. I'm taking one point over here, and this is the curve here. I'm taking one point over here. So from here to here I will draw one big happy face or C, and this line I'm going to pull in. And from here I'm going to do one sad face. Still I can see this line. So one dot here and one dot here. Now this gap we can see. So we have to draw one curvy line over here. I'm making it dark so we can see. So one here, and let me erase all my guidelines over here. From here another one, but this one will go in this direction. One more. And one more. So total 4. This one is kind of like a leaf, and this one is going here, so we can start from here. After this one we can draw one leaf shape and one over here. So this line we will leave, and we will start from here, and we can do one curvy alphabet S over here. So this one is kind of straight. Instead of straight, I will go a little bit towards this line. So now this line we will do arch over here, almost like if I will pull this line a little bit less, or almost this much. And from here we will pull this line. It will go on the top of this one and make a turn over here. And from here we will go like mirror image of alphabet S. We will do one curve here, we will do another small curve here, and on the top I will do one smiley, and this smiley can go here. So I added one over here, so it's totally up to you. You can go and play around with these things. So I like little bit curvy style, so I did lots of curvy here, but you can do straight ones. We will go here and we will start from here. So this is going to be up like an arch again, and it will come down, it will turn, and it will go this direction. So long, I want almost like this bended area, maybe this much. So from here the shape will go this way. Now, so from here I'm going to draw one curvy line and I will pull in, then I will draw another curvy line, and this one I want to turn this direction. Another one I will turn again, but not really far. This way. From here we can draw one, not really one, and then two, and I want this one to go a little bit in. Now we have to start from here, and it will go on the top of this one, and same thing like we cut here, same thing I will do here. I will curve. So the line was here, I moved a little bit down because I want baby over here, so I made the whole head a little bit smaller. So these two can be eyes. Under this one I'm going to draw the same thing like I did over here, curvy and going towards this direction. So this is the line. So this one is going a little bit small. So I will pull this line a little bit up here. Eye. So I want this whole thing to be, the leg has to be under the eye. So I will move this leg a little bit this direction. Very small one over here. Now from here I'm going to draw this shape. It will go in, and then again it will go all the way to this line. Again, compared to the body, head looks really big to me right now. So I will go back and I will try to adjust this one and make it small. It's just depend the way you want the eye. Now for the tail, we can start from here. We can go here. We can do 1, 2, 3, 4, and we can draw one long one, one small one.